Welcome to Auto NerveX. Today, we dive into one of the boldest moves in automotive history, the 2026 Beetle Pickup Truck. This is the all-new 2026 Beetle Pickup Truck. Check out these round LED headlights and the sculpted tailgate. This thing has got some serious presence.
Welcome to Auto NerveX. Today, we're talking about something nobody saw coming, the 2026 VW Beetle Pickup. That's right. Volkswagen has taken its most iconic car and transformed it into something bold, rugged, and entirely unexpected. Say hello to the Beetle Pickup, a head-turning fusion of retro charm and utility that's shocking the entire auto industry. Let's start with the design. At first glance, you'll recognize the unmistakable curves of the classic Beetle round headlights, a domed roofline, and a wide smile of a grille. But move around to the back, and that's where everything changes. The rear has been re-engineered into a sleek cargo bed, giving the Beetle Pickup a sporty yet functional silhouette. Volkswagen's design team kept the spirit of the original alive while turning it into something that's never existed before. It rides higher than a traditional Beetle, with flared fenders, off-road tires, and roof rails that give it an adventurous gunny-wear attitude. Two-tone paint options, LED tailgate lighting, and a light bar across the front make it a modern-day icon on wheels. This isn't just a Beetle with a bed, it's a lifestyle statement. Now let's talk power. Under the floor sits VW's MEB electric platform, and the Beetle Pickup is powered by dual electric motors. One front, one rear, making it an all-wheel drive EV with 295 horsepower. That means it's not just a pretty face. It can haul, climb, and move fast. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time, just over 5.5 seconds. And with a range of about 310 miles, this isn't just a weekend cruiser, it's ready for road trips and utility work. Inside the cabin blends nostalgia and innovation. You've got vintage-inspired details like circular chrome-trimmed vents and dash-mounted grab handles, paired with high-end tech like a 15-inch touchscreen, digital cockpit, and even customizable retro themes for the displays. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a premium 10-speaker audio system come standard. The rear cargo bed is compact but clever, offering modular tied-down points, a hidden tool compartment, and even a pop-up tent system as an optional accessory. Whether you're hauling gear to the beach or taking a solo camping trip, this Beetle is ready for the adventure. And don't worry about safety. The Beetle Pickup includes all the modern features: adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, lane keeping, and emergency braking. Plus, Volkswagen's Travel Assist semi-autonomous system is on board, making highway driving a breeze. What about price? The 2026 Beetle Pickup is expected to start around $39,000, with higher trims pushing into the $45,000 range. It's positioned as a lifestyle EV, not a work truck, but a premium, personal utility vehicle for people who want to stand out and do things differently. Volkswagen has done something truly wild here. They've reinvented the Beetle again, in a way no one expected. The 2026 Beetle Pickup is bold, practical, fun, and completely unforgettable. Whether you're a fan of classics or an EV enthusiast, this car is rewriting the rules.
The 2026 Beetle Pickup is Volkswagen's craziest move yet, and maybe their smartest. It's bold, beautiful,